morning to all the employers of Hong Kong. I am Arlie J. Nacedo, 31 years old, and I'm married. I have 3 children, and I'm a college level. And my job experience is last 2002-2004 as a housemaid. And my experience there is to take care of their 2-year-old daughter and doing their house chores every day.
Are you familiar with operating household appliances?
Yes, sir. Like for example, iron, electric dish dryer, and washing machine.
What experience do you have in cooking?
In cooking, I really like to cook Filipino foods, but I love and eager to learn to do Chinese dishes.
Are you willing to take care of pets like cats or dogs?
Yes, sir. I really like pets, especially dogs.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
First is to earn money for my family and to help my employer to do their house chores.
If you are lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
Sir, if ever I'll be selected to be your housemaid, I guarantee you to be loyal and honest. Thank you, sir.